a lot of in a traditional Chinese banquet, at New Year banquet, the food that have to have double meanings.
Okay.
So the word why we serve fish, yu, because it sounds similar in Mandarin for prosperity.
Okay.
Yan yan yo yu,
Right.
which is what we wish for every year that we prosper.
Okay, so yan ang ihahanda natin mga kahit na hindi
Okay,
naman
fish.
Chinese, no, pwede rin sundin yan. Masarap din
Oo,
naman.
why not?
Oo.
Masarap yan.
Siyempre meron tayong noodles, hindi mawawala.
Going back to the fish,
Okay.
when you serve it at home, you're not supposed to touch it. You only have to eat it the day after.
Which is today.
Yeah.
Okay, so sinanda mo kahapon, dapat okay pa siya today.
Which is why, traditionally, the ones we serve at homes are fried, and then we add the sauce the following day.
Hindi masisira kaagad.
Alright. Okay, next is the pansit, syempre.
Of course, yes.
Ito naman!
Pansit!
Sumisikit talaga tayo ni Joyce.
Ayan,
Okay,
si Joyce
so,
talagang
Anson.
kakain ng kakain. Tagatikim. Oo.
It's the same as birthdays. Why noodles? Because it represents long life because of the long strands.
Okay.
Alright.
So,
At syempre, ang napaka madikit na tikoy.
okay.
Oo.
Eto naman, tikoy
Tikoy.
naman.
Sige, Joyce, kainin mo yan.
Ano?
I challenge
Joyce,
you.
this is for you.
Well, actually, she can eat this one. The tikoy
Ayan,
roll.
tikoy roll.
Prepared,
syempre, di ba?
Well, those are baked.
Tikoy roll.
Oo.
Those are
Okay.
baked and ready to eat,
Oo.
whereas this one, you have to
You
slice
have
them.
to, oo. Correct. So, bakit tikoy ang kailangan natin sa New Year?
Well, tikoy is actually a Filipino word. It means, it's from Hokkien, meaning tea, sweet, koi, cake, tea, sweet cakes.
Ah, okay.
But then in Mandarin,